I've been seeing these kits for such a long time. This is the one by Makeup Revolution. And I was like, you know what? I'm finally going to give it a try. Let's see. These are like one of those brow stampy situations where it comes with a stencil. And let's see exactly what's in here. Let's see. Because if I can make the eyebrow process easier, that would be great. So in the box, it has 4 stencils. So I guess you pick whichever one is closest to what you like. I'm not gonna lie, none of these really look like my style, but I'm gonna try this guy right here. This is brow stencil number 3. I think that'll be the closest. And the shade that I picked up is dark brown. Usually not my jam. Let's get into the component here. How does this open? Am I just twisting for no reason? Am I supposed to pull? Okay. So it twists like that. And you can see some product already there. Oh, that doesn't look crazy. Where's the stencil? So it's supposed to be like super simple. So you're supposed to be able to just put this over your brow and then stamp the product on top and have perfect brows. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm going to try to line it up with my natural brow, and let's see how this goes. I feel like, you know what, I'm not even going to say what I feel. I'm just going to, but like, I'm going to do it like that. Because if this works like properly to where I don't have to do any touching up or too much touching up, I'm gonna be happy. That is dark. I'm probably putting on too much. Man. Dope. Start again. I was able to get stencil number 4 to work the best. I think my brow might be slightly longer like that, so I was able to get it to work and then just like smudge out the front. This one has to go. We're gonna start over with that one, but not bad. Of course I have to do my brows, but we ignore that. Got my makeup wipe here. The color is not bad at all. This is my little, the brow to be all wet and stuff. Because that won't be good. See this bald spot in my brow? It's crazy. So again, with number 4, it doesn't feel like it's messed up and weird. I'm going to try to line it up as best as I can. And then I will smudge it out the way I did on the other side. So let's just stick that guy. So the product is in the cap. And it took me a lot to figure that out. Don't go nowhere. Hopefully, stay. And we just, oops. Stay, stencil, stay. I'm a mess. Oh, I don't open. Alright, it's not as bad as I thought, but I opened up the stencil. Let's add in more products. Oh, these things are just not for me, guys. It definitely wasn't the worst, though. I'm literally poking myself in the eye, trying to hold the stencil. It's not the worst. Look, I'm gonna do. Like the other one, I just took a spoolie and smudged out the front real quick. I don't know if it's more trouble than it's worth, but it does give a good base. So if you feel like you're not good with your brows, then this will definitely help. And then, you know, it'll give you that foundation, and then you can perfect it from there. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up with my regular brow thing that I normally do. But yeah, it's not bad. It will just take it's a learning curve for me, because I'm used to just freehanding, and even that, I'm not the best at that, which is fine, but this definitely can help.